Siya Kolisi has been dragged in a child pornography story which does not even involve him. So let's just go deep right into it. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and also hit the notification bell, because we are going to do a lot of this kind of videos where we look at bias, prejudice. It will involve a lot of gender, sexuality, race, culture, traditions. So we all saw the headlines today from Sunday Times, News 24, ENCA, The Star, The Citizen, Times Live. All these white media are dragging Siya Kolisi, who's a South African captain, Springboks. There's a guy called Dean Karelse, if you haven't watched it or if you've even seen the headlines. He's been arrested in Australia. He's been found in possession of child pornography there in Queensland, Australia. So he's been charged, he's been arrested, So South African media found the story. I think it was the Herald that reported it, and South African media such as the Times, the News 24s of the world, Times Live, the Citizen, all these white media went with the headline that says former Siya Kolisi's coach arrested in Australia. And I'm like, so if Dean Karelse, who is the guy who's arrested, is found with child pornography, where does Siya Kolisi fit in the story? And I'm like, I'm questioning a lot of things. I know the media or these media houses were trying to clickbait people so that they can get a lot of views or read or clicks, when they involved Siya Kolisi. But for me, it just looks like it's a racism act. We know how racism is done in South Africa. It's subtle, you can't really see it, you can't touch it, but it's there. And they do this kind of things where they involve someone's name, like Siya Kolisi, for example, because he's black. They had to drag him in this rape or in this child pornography story so that they can sell or so that they can get a lot of clicks. But it just perpetuates racism for me to say, oh, a white person cannot be found with child pornography. Only a black person is supposed to be found with child pornography. White person is more smart enough to not be found with this kind of things, but it's a crime that is suited for black people. For me, that's what I get when I read this kind of stories, when I saw the headlines. And I'm like, in 2021, we still have white media that goes all out to discredit black people in this fashion. Because if this kind of media houses really do check or they scrutinize their content with regard to pictures they use, headlines they use, they will avoid a lot of tonality and bias that will always seek to put black people in a certain fashion. And these stories, these headlines we saw, always seek to put black people as rapists, to put black people as people who are less deserving in a society. So I'm like, just because Dean Karelse taught Siya Kolisi, or he was his former coach at Grey High School there in PE in Port Elizabeth, then we have to drag him. My question is, was it the only rugby or player that this guy coached? Because Dean Karelse may have coached a lot of rugby players, including white people, white players. Why were those white players not included, And why is his name the one that is put in the headline? For me, it's just a lot of bias, a lot of nonsense, actually. It's a big fail. Let's now look at pornography statistics in South Africa, which will be very, very interesting. It says that South Africa watch porn longer on average than the rest of the world. South Africans watch porn longer than the rest of the world. That's on average. And then the other statistics point, it says out of the estimated 35 million people that watch porn globally, 91,000 are South Africans. Listen to this one. Apparently 10 minutes and 35 seconds is the average that South Africans watch porn on Pornhub. Apparently that is 1 minute and 39 seconds above global average, which is quite interesting. And then the study also found that the province of the Eastern Cape ranks top in South Africa as much as porn consumption in South Africa. Interesting that there's Grey High School involved here, and there's a coach that was teaching in the Eastern Cape, and the statistics in South Africa with regard to pornography points out that Eastern Cape ranks the top in terms of pornographic consumption. I feel like South Africa, there's just so many people who are doing pornographic stuff. Recently, we just saw a lot of videos trending on Twitter of people filming themselves, you know, having sex. That's pornography, you know. And it cannot get worse than that. But if you have pornography that includes children, that's another case altogether. So Dean Karase has been arrested, but then South African media chose to use a blackface for their headlines, which is bad. Epic fail. All I see is just bias against black people. And I'd like to hear what you guys think about this one. So please comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button to make sure that whenever we do this kind of videos, you're not left behind, man. I'm thirsty. Salute, mingatiti meli.